Welcome to Agent Reports. Cloudspire Voice provides 4 agent-focused reports under the call center section of PBX management: agent activity, agent utilization, agent queue performance, and pause reasons. While queue reports focus on the queues themselves, these reports focus on the people, your agents. They help you answer questions like who's handling the most calls, who's spending too much time paused, how each agent performs across different queues, and where pause time is going. Every report includes date range filters, data tables, and CSV export. In this video, we'll walk through all 4 reports, explain the key metrics, and show practical ways to use them for performance reviews, payroll, and scheduling. Let's start by logging in. Navigate to PBX Management, then open the Call Center drop-down. Below the queue reports, queue performance, service level, abandonment, and interval, you'll find the 4 agent reports: agent activity, agent utilization, agent queue performance, and pause reasons. These appear in the Reports section of the Call Center menu. Let's start with agent activity. It's the raw event log that records every login, logout, pause, and unpause across all agents. This is the agent activity log. It shows a chronological timeline of every agent event: login, logout, pause, and unpause, with color-coded badges for quick scanning. Each row includes the timestamp, extension number, agent name, the event type, and for pause events, the pause reason. Green badges indicate logins, gray for logouts, yellow for pauses, and blue for unpause. This log is your audit trail. If a supervisor wants to verify when an agent logged in, how long they were paused, or whether they left early, this is where you look. The data defaults to the last 7 days and is paginated for large result sets. The filter bar lets you narrow the view. Start, date, and end date control the time window. The extension field lets you search for a specific agent by extension number, useful when reviewing one person's activity for a performance discussion. The event drop-down filters by event type. Select pause to see only pause events, or log in to verify shift start times. Click filter to apply your selections, or reset to return to the default view. Below the filters, you'll see the total event count and page navigation. The Export CSV button on the right downloads all matching events, not just the current page, for offline analysis in a spreadsheet. Now let's move to agent utilization. This report calculates how each agent spends their logged-in time, broken down into total logged-in time, pause time, and available time. The key metric is the utilization percentage in the rightmost column. This represents the percentage of logged-in time that the agent was actually available to take calls, not paused. A high utilization means the agent is available most of the time they're logged in. A low utilization means they're spending significant time in pause states. Color coding helps: green for 80% and above, yellow for 50 to 79, and red below 50. You also see login count and pause count, which show how many times each agent logged in and paused during the period. An agent with 20 pauses in one day might warrant a conversation. Next is agent queue performance. This report shows how each agent performs in each specific queue they belong to. Every row is an agent queue combination. So if an agent handles calls in general support and Spanish support, you'll see 2 rows for that agent. The columns show calls handled, calls completed, average, wait time before the agent answered, average talk time, and ring no answer count. Ring no answer, shown in red when greater than 0, means the queue offered a call to the agent but they didn't pick up. High RNA counts may indicate an agent who's logged in but away from their desk. This report defaults to a 30-day window because queue performance trends are more meaningful over longer periods. It's the best report for comparing agent productivity across queues. The final agent report is pause reasons. This breaks down every agent's pause time by reason code: break, lunch, meeting, training, or whatever pause reasons your tenant has configured. At the top, summary cards show the total time spent in each reason across all agents, giving you the big picture at a glance. The table below breaks it down per agent, with columns for each pause reason and a total in the rightmost column. Dashes mean the agent didn't use that reason during the period. This report is essential for workforce management. If break time across the team is 40 hours, but lunch is only 10, you know where the time is going. It's also useful for validating that agents are selecting the correct pause reasons rather than always defaulting to one. Below the summary cards, the per agent breakdown table shows each agent's time in every pause reason. The columns are dynamic. They match whatever pause reasons exist in your tenant configuration. The total column on the right sums all pause time for that agent. This makes it easy to identify agents with excessive pause time in specific categories. Like all agent reports, the date range filter controls the reporting window, and the Export CSV button downloads the full dataset. This CSV is particularly useful because it includes raw seconds for each reason, making it easy to build charts or calculate percentages in a spreadsheet. Managers often export this data weekly to include in team scorecards. That covers agent reports in the admin console. Here's a quick recap. Agent activity is your audit trail, a chronological log of every login, logout, pause, and unpause event with filtering by extension and event type. Agent utilization shows how each agent distributes their logged-in time between available and paused states with color-coded utilization percentages. Agent queue performance breaks down each agent's call handling metrics per queue handled calls, talk time, and ring no answer counts. And pause reasons shows exactly where pause time goes, broken down by reason code per agent. All 4 reports support CSV export. Use activity for attendance auditing, utilization for productivity reviews, queue performance for cross-queue agent comparisons, and pause reasons for time tracking and accountability. Check the documentation link below for the complete reference.